Hey there, what is up everyone? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset and restore your Apple iPad Pro. This is the 12.9 inch, but it'll also work on the, I believe it's the 10 inch. And this should also work for pretty much any iOS device as well. So, but yeah, this one is the iPad Pro. And I'm going to show you two methods to reset it back to its factory condition. So the first method is if you can get into the iPad. It's pretty easy. All you got to do is go to settings. In settings, you will go to general right here. And then on the menu here, you're just going to go all the way down to reset. And here you're going to select erase all content and setting. Okay, it's going to ask you for your password, so you just put it in, whatever your password is, and then it's going to ask you to confirm by hitting erase. It says erase iPad. This will delete all media and data and reset all settings. All right, so I do suggest that if you can back up all your information, back it up, because everything will be erased back to factory condition. So once you're ready, go ahead and hit erase, and the reset process will begin. So I'm going to go ahead and show you now the other way to do it. So maybe you forgot your password and you can't get into it. Maybe it is disabled like this, or maybe it's completely disabled and it doesn't even say a specific time that you have to wait to do it. So in this situation, what you're going to do is the following. You're going to need either a Mac or a PC or a Windows computer, and you're going to need iTunes. So I'm going to have a link down below in the description to download the latest version of iTunes. What you're going to do is you're going to connect your USB cable, your Lightning USB cable, to your computer or Mac. And you're going to press the power button and the home button at the same time. So just continue to hold both the power button and the home button until it shuts off. There you go, and then let go of the power button and continue to hold the home button. So you're going to continue to hold it until the computer reads it. There you go. It made the sound that it's reading it. Once it does, you can let go. We're going to follow the prompts now on the screen. So here I'm just going to hit X. This is the message that you're going to get. iTunes has detected an iPad in recovery mode. You must restore this iPad before it can be used with iTunes. So here we're going to select OK. And here we're going to select Restore iPad. Here we're going to hit Restore and Update. Let me zoom that in. Restore and Update. Okay, and if you already have the latest version of the iPad iOS, it's going to go straight to the extraction and installation process. But since I don't have it here, mine is going to have to download first. So it's just making sure that I agree to the software update, agree. And then up here, you can see this little thing spinning. That means that the software is downloading. So the iPad software update is downloading. It may take a while depending on your internet speed. So first off, this has to finish downloading. Once this is downloaded, we can continue with the restore process. Alright, so it's been a few minutes now and the software completely downloaded. The little circle's not here anymore. So another good thing to do before you begin the restore is make sure that your iTunes is updated to the latest version. So we're going to go here to under help, and we're going to select check for updates. And as you can see, the new version is available. So we're going to download and install the latest version of iTunes as well. Sometimes if you don't have the latest version, you might get errors in the middle of the reset and restore process. So let's go ahead and install and update iTunes first. Alright, so let's wait till that finishes. Alright, so once the software is updated from the iTunes, we're going to go ahead and put it in restore mode one more time. So let's press the home button and the power button. continue to hold it until it turns off. And then once it turns off, just continue to hold the home button until it connects to the computer, and a message should come up on the screen. There you go. Once it does, you can let go of the home button. And here it says iTunes has detected an iPad in recovery mode, so just hit OK. And then we're gonna hit restore iPad, and then restore and update. So that's very important. You have to make sure that the device drivers install, and then your iPad should look like this. It's gonna kind of show the loading bar just like on the computer screen. So you gotta wait till it gets all the way to the end. There you go. So when it's done, when it gets all the way to the end, this message is gonna come up. Your iPad has been fully restored. The iPad is gonna like reboot. Give it a couple of seconds for it to boot up, and then it might give you this loading bar right here. Just wait till it gets to the end. There you go. On the computer it says welcome to your new iPad. The loading bar is still loading. There you go, and it finished. So now all we have to do is go through all of the setup options here. Select your language, country, connect to Wi-Fi, all that good stuff. And there we go. The iPad is completely set up. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to reset and restore your iPad Pro. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, it really helps us out a lot, and I'll see you around in the next video. Peace.